Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Gradient Academy. Myself Sachin Yadav, and today we will discuss IIT JEE Mains 2023 exam problem from physics section. So that a particle is moving with a constant speed in circular path. When the particle turns by an angle of 90, the ratio of instantaneous velocity to its average velocity is given pi by x root 2. The value of x will be, so first we understand the problem. So this is the path of that particle, that is circular particle moving on this path. This is position A, this is position B. Particle moves from A to B. In circular motion, the speed is constant, velocity is changing. The magnitude of velocity is same. Here V, here V, and this is radius. So at velocity at VA, that is V into I cap. J cap. This is I, this is J. And velocity at B minus V I cap. Particle moving with constant speed. So from A to B, time to reach A to B, that is equal to the distance 2 pi r by 4, that arc that arc divided by velocity or speed. So the time is pi r by 2v. We know the time. So for calculating the average velocity, here average velocity. What is the average velocity? Displacement upon time. So it's important. He's asking about average velocity. So we need displacement. This is R, this is R, this is 90 degree. So displacement from A to B, the displacement is R root 2 and time is pi r by 2v. So r to r cancel out. So final is 2 root 2 v by pi. This is average velocity, and we know the instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous is the velocity at this point, at this moment, that is instant velocity at B is equal to minus Vi, and if we take only magnitude, then the ratio of instantaneous to average is V by 2 root 2 V upon pi. So pi upon 2 root 2, and the given ratio is pi upon x root 2. Pi x root 2, or we can say that pi upon x root 2. So by comparing, we know that the value of x is 2. So from this, the value of x is 2. So the correct answer is number 2. Thank you. If there is any suggestion, please write in comment.